Life itself is an occasion, and celebrating it is the best form of gratitude.
Crazy as it may sound, but I celebrated cancer and I want to celebrate every phase of my life.
Memories stay with you while everything else fades, and you can look back and feel happy every time you remember the way you celebrated.
My idea of a celebration is staying in the present moment.
I feel it's these small moments that we often forget, just to live a little.
To celebrate who you are in the truest sense, not someone else's idea of who you should be.
There's a quote which says that you might forget what people say to you, but you'll never forget how they made you feel. If you think really deep into it, you will definitely find something to celebrate.
Celebrating the little things, the little moments, reminds you to not take life for granted. It reminds you to be more appreciative, more grateful for everything you have.